Here we are. We're at Conway Ranch. There's Dougie. First two casts. Got a dry fly calabatus. He pulled a little too early on the first one. Second one he paused and he nailed it. He's been fighting this for about 3 or 4 minutes. He says it's a good size one. Unfortunately, he's only using a 3 weight, so it's going to be a little bit of work. Trying to muscle that thing. Oh, nice. Tell me if I get too close, okay? I'm paddling backwards, so it's literally pretty hard to film. I think we're still got a long way before he lands this fish, but I thought I'd catch it anyways. This is our second day. Today we fished crawly, and yesterday we fished crawly. Did pretty good, despite the algae. But nothing on dries like here. This is really, I know, it's beautiful. This is really cool out here. We get to the afternoon session. We have a nice lunch. Are you even close? Are you even close? Gotta remember we got a size 14 dry fly wire hook, so we really can't put the mustard to these guys. But literally first two casts. Oh man, I gotta turn this tube around, sorry. Let's see what it looks like. Oh fuck, there goes the rod. Sorry. Woo! Okay, hang on, let me try to pedal back over there. Filming backwards is not easy. Yeah. No, wait, I'm here. Let me take a picture. I'm videoing, so just hold them up for a second, then I'll take a picture. How big? How many inches? 32? Holy mackerel, that thing is fat. Oh, nice job, Doug.
Let's don't let him go. Okay?
No, let's take a picture.
I don't want to hurt him.
You fought him pretty fast. Just take a picture.
Reminds me of the one I caught at Twin Lakes. It was about the same. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.